In today's interconnected world, managing finances across borders has become increasingly common. Whether you're an individual sending money to family abroad, a freelancer getting paid by international clients, or a business operating in multiple currencies, you've likely encountered Wise. While many refer to it as Wise Bank, this isn't its official or only name. As a finance management expert, let's delve into the different names associated with Wise and what they signify. Understanding this can provide clarity and ensure you're navigating the international finance landscape with accurate information. The most important other name, for what many call Wise Bank, is its former name, TransferWise. This was the original name of the company when it was founded in London in 2011 by Christo Carmen and Tavid Hinrichs. The name TransferWise directly reflected the company's initial core service, facilitating international money transfers in a transparent and cost-effective way, essentially making users wise to the hidden fees charged by traditional banks. In February 2021, TransferWise underwent a significant rebranding and officially changed its name to Wise. This change wasn't just cosmetic. It signaled a broader evolution of the company's services beyond just money transfers. While international transfers remain a key offering, Wise has expanded to provide a more comprehensive suite of financial tools for individuals and businesses with international needs. This includes multi-currency accounts, debit cards for international spending, and tools for receiving money in various currencies. The new name, Wise, reflects this expanded scope, suggesting a platform that offers overall wise financial solutions for a global clientele. However, the story doesn't end there. While Wise is the primary customer-facing brand name, the legal entities operating under the Wise umbrella have their own official registered names. For instance, in the United Kingdom, the primary entity responsible for payment services is Wise Payments Limited. You might encounter this name in legal documents, terms and conditions, or when dealing with regulatory information. Similarly, in other regions, Wise operates through locally registered entities to comply with local regulations. For example, in Europe, you might see Wise Europe SA. These legal names are crucial for understanding the regulatory framework under which Wise operates in different jurisdictions. It's important to clarify that while Wise offers many banking-like features, it is not a traditional bank in the conventional sense. Instead, it operates as an electronic money institution, EMI, in many regions, authorized and regulated by financial authorities to provide payment services and issue electronic money. This distinction is important because it affects how Wise is regulated and the types of services it can offer compared to a fully licensed bank. While Wise provides account details in various currencies and allows you to hold and manage funds, it doesn't typically offer services like lending or traditional savings accounts in the same way a bank does. Therefore, when you hear the term Wise Bank, it's usually a colloquialism. While the services offered might feel similar to some aspects of banking, the company's official brand name is Wise, and its historical name is TransferWise. Legally, it operates through various registered entities like Wise Payments Limited and Wise Europe SA, functioning primarily as an electronic money institution. Understanding these different names and the regulatory context is crucial for effective finance management, especially when dealing with international transactions. Knowing that Wise Bank is essentially Wise, formerly TransferWise, helps you access the correct information and support. Recognizing the legal entity names can be important when reviewing terms of service or understanding regulatory compliance. Finally, understanding that Wise is primarily an EMI, not a traditional bank, provides clarity on the scope of its services.